Okay, this is another BMS rocket on a B4-4. This one has a, I believe it's a 10-inch parachute, fairly small. It's not going to go as high, so that's okay for a small parachute. This one will probably drift out about maybe 200-300 feet, but let's see what happens.
Rocket on a B4-4 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
That looks really nice. Parachute and streamer. That is cool. Yeah, it's right behind the LCO table by about 100 feet.
You ready?
Okay, this is my last.
You got the shoot on.
Oh, the rocket just landed next to me. It's the last BMS rocket on a B4-4.
On a B4-4. Going up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow. There it is. Hard to see in the sun.
Out to pad 13.
Okay, here's the BMS. It uses the standard streamer that comes with it. And a very nice flight, but if you look at this again, the engine started to slide out. So it started to eject beyond the hook. So a little bit of a problem with that. Interesting.